There are few things that could be causing your Facebook Messenger not to work. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Messenger app voice message not working in iPhone. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Go to the settings. Tap on General. Click iPhone storage. Find Messenger. Click Messenger. Then click Offload app. Click Offload app. Then click Reinstall app. Wait for a while, the process will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Then open the App Store. Click search bar, then type Messenger. Click Messenger. If you get any update, please update. After following all the steps, restart your phone. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.